Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix pending on Cash App in 2023. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing that you want to consider here is if you have like a pending transaction in Cash App, the first thing that you want to do here is just basically wait for the transaction to complete. So sometimes there's going to be a delay on the approval of the transaction itself. So you might want to wait a few minutes or a few hours until the payment or the transaction is complete. Now, if the transaction is still in pending status, well, the next thing you want to do here is you might want to restart the whole process. So in this case, you could go to the Cash App home screen, go to the lower right of the screen. That's where your history or transaction history is usually located. And from there, select the transaction that's still pending and basically cancel it. Now, if that's not the case and you are unable to cancel it, well, the best case or best way for you to solve this is to contact Cash App support. Now, to do this, you need to go to the main home screen of Cash App and you need to tap on your profile icon, which is usually located at the top of your screen. Now, from there, just scroll down a bit until you see this option that says support and click on it. And from there, just scroll down a bit again and just click on the start a chat button. And from there, just send your concerns regarding your transaction. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.